Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, July the 6th, July the 7th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 3 star Sudoku, killer Sudoku. We have also 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the tectonic. 4 of them I will solve this evening, and we have also in this newspaper an additional, I've told you earlier, an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening tomorrow the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, we have a Samurai Sudoku, so there's a lot of puzzles to solve. Let me start with this one, the 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 8852. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yeah. Usually the 4-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 3 twos. 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 1 7, 2 eights, and 4 nines. Alright, so the ones and the nines are a majority. Can I start with the 1? Yes. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there, okay. Here also 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between, no, middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. That means in this column, we have here 1, that means in the first column, we need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. Well, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. How about the 9 then? Here also the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. The 9. 9, okay. 9, 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here. Could be there. Yeah, here we need also a 9. I cannot continue. Well, not true. We have a pair. The 1 and the 9 in this row. The 1 and the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, and now need a 4 here. Well, in the third row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. Here can be 4. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4, I should be there. 4. Well. 4. Well, 6, 6. 6, 6. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. About a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 1 box left in the second row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. Okay. I believe we have a pair here. 2. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3, 6, and this 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look, we have 3 and a 4 in this column, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Okay, well, alright, in the 9. Let me see. In the 9 here. Well, 7, 8. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. So we have a need a 5 here. So 5, 5, 5, 2, 5. Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 in the row above, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And if eliminated here, the 1, so the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Can I count the ones? And all the ones are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2, number 1. How about the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3, number 9. How about 6 and 7? Yeah. Let me think. How about the 3s? 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3. Cannot continue the 3. 1 box left in this column for the other 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And we have a pair, the 3 and the 6 in this row, the 3 and the 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here should be the 7 and 8. The other pair in this row, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 7 then. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column, so the column between, only 2 places left, and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be in. The 6 goes there, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be in. The 3 goes there, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be in. The 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for 4 should be there. 13 minutes. Well, surprised. For 4 stars puzzle. Is this a 4 stars note, 3 stars note, 2 stars note, 1 star note? It should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, please rate the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.